Have you ever wondered if life itself is powered not just by chemistry, but by the strange, mysterious rules of quantum mechanics? Imagine birds navigating across continents using Earth's magnetic field, enzymes speeding up reactions billions of times faster than chance, or photosynthesis capturing light with near-perfect efficiency. Welcome to the world of quantum biology, a frontier of science where the weirdness of the quantum realm may explain how life actually works. Today, we're diving deep into this revolutionary field: the physics, the biology, the experiments, the debates, and what it might mean for medicine, consciousness, and the future of technology. Before we get too deep into this topic, be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. This helps to bring more valuable content to the platform for your knowledge and understanding. Remember, knowledge is power. Now back to the episode. Quantum biology asks a bold question. Do living systems rely on quantum mechanics in ways classical biology cannot explain? Quantum mechanics describes the rules of the subatomic world: superposition, entanglement, tunneling. Biology traditionally operates on biochemistry, molecules, DNA, proteins, enzymes. But life occurs at a nanoscale, where the boundary between classical and quantum gets fuzzy. The core idea: life might exploit quantum phenomena not as a side effect, but as a survival strategy. Let's start with the sun. Every breath you take, every bite of food you eat, ultimately depends on photosynthesis. Here's the catch: photons of sunlight must find their way through a jungle of chlorophyll molecules to reach the reaction center where energy is stored. Classical physics says they should scatter randomly, like a pinball. That would waste a lot of energy. But experiments show something remarkable. Excitons, the packets of energy, travel through plant cells with quantum coherence. It's like the energy explores all possible paths simultaneously and then chooses the fastest one. This efficiency borders on perfection, over 95% energy transfer. Quantum mechanics may be why plants outcompete solar panels by a long shot. Picture a robin flying thousands of miles. How does it know where to go? Birds seem to have a built-in compass, not based on iron, but on quantum entanglement inside their eyes. Here's the leading hypothesis. Special proteins called cryptochromes contain pairs of entangled electrons. Earth's magnetic field subtly changes how these electrons interact. The bird literally sees magnetic patterns superimposed on its vision. This is not sci-fi, it's testable. Robins placed in altered magnetic fields get confused. Even more incredible, these reactions only work if quantum entanglement lasts longer than thought possible in warm, messy biological systems. Picture a robin flying thousands of miles. How does it know where to go? Enzymes are nature's catalysts. They make life's chemical reactions happen millions or billions of times faster. How? One answer is quantum tunneling. Normally, a particle would need enough energy to climb over an energy barrier. But in quantum mechanics, particles can sometimes tunnel straight through. Studies suggest enzymes guide protons or electrons to tunnel through barriers, slashing reaction times. Without tunneling, metabolism as we know it might grind to a halt. Here's a quirky one. Why does a rose smell like a rose and not a rotten egg? Classically, the shape of molecules explains smell, but that doesn't fully add up. Some molecules with similar shapes smell completely different. The quantum smell hypothesis says our noses detect not just shapes, but quantum vibrations. When odor molecules dock with receptors, electrons may tunnel if the vibrational energy matches. This idea is controversial, but experiments with fruit flies suggest it might be real. DNA is life's code, but could it also be quantum? Quantum tunneling might cause protons in DNA base pairs to hop, leading to mutations. Quantum effects may help DNA repair enzymes find errors faster than diffusion alone would allow. In other words, quantum randomness might be both a source of evolution and a safeguard against genetic chaos. Now for the big question, could quantum mechanics play a role in consciousness? Some scientists, like Roger Penrose and Stuart Hameroff, propose that microtubules in neurons sustain quantum coherence, influencing thought itself. Skeptics argue the brain is too warm and noisy for quantum states to last. But new research into quantum warm coherence suggests biology may have tricks we don't yet understand. Whether or not quantum mechanics explains consciousness, this debate forces us to rethink the boundaries of physics and biology. Why does this matter? If quantum biology is real, the applications could be revolutionary. Medicine. Understanding tunneling could lead to targeted enzyme therapies. Neuroscience. If quantum processes matter in the brain, it could reshape psychiatry and AI. Energy. Mimicking quantum photosynthesis could build ultra-efficient solar cells. Navigation. Harnessing cryptochrome-like sensors might give us quantum compasses. Life may already be doing quantum engineering far beyond our current technology. Quantum biology is still young. Some ideas are proven, others remain speculative. But here's the truth. Life evolved in a quantum universe. So maybe it's no surprise that evolution found ways to exploit the deepest laws of reality. When you look at a leaf, smell a flower, or watch a bird migrate, you may be witnessing quantum physics in action. This is not just science. It's a reminder that life itself is more mysterious, interconnected, and beautiful than we ever imagined. If this journey into quantum biology expanded your view of life, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more deep science explorations, and share it with someone who loves to wonder. Because the future of biology might not just be molecular, it might be quantum.